Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over at Massey Toyota. And let's take a look at this 2018 Hyundai Elantra GT base. It is going to be in the galactic gray exterior with the black cloth interior. And then coming down here to our wheels, these are going to be the 17-inch alloys you do get on your base trim. And then coming around back, you'd have a rear wiper, backup camera, and of course this is going to be the hatch. Now coming in, you do have your switchblade key, so just go ahead and press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. And this one does have around 35,000 miles. So go ahead and stick that key in the ignition. Twist to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath the hood of this GT base, this is going to be the 2-liter dual overhead cam i4 with gasoline direct injection. It's going to produce 161 horsepower, 150 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now in your sport trim, you do have a 1.6-liter turbocharged i4 going through a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DCT. But on this particular model, we do have the 2-liter, so let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now before coming in, over in your side mirror, they are going to be body color. They're also heated, and you do have a little blind spot mirror in there also. But checking out that black cloth interior, it's going to have contrast white stitching. It's going to be a 6-way manual driver's seat as well. Coming to your door panel, padded armrest with your power windows, mirrors, and your power locks are going to be on the dash. Door storage down below. And coming to that steering wheel, it's going to be a 3-spoke urethane wrapped wheel, side bolster and grip extensions. You also do have your audio, Bluetooth, and voice commands on the left, and then over on the right, it's going to be your controls for your center screen as well as your cruise control. Over on the left, automatic headlights as well as your tap to through blinks blinkers. They can be customized to blink 5 times if you'd like, as well as your variable intermittent speed wipers and rear wiper controls. And coming to your head unit, this is going to be the AM, FM, XM, HD radio, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth streaming audio on this unit. You also do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, thankfully. Going to your radio, as you can see, XM, and you do have various presets over here on the left, as well as checking out your channel list completely. Going back home, as you can see, you do have various things for your full main menu, where you can go in through your settings, as well as your apps and your setup. Below that, that's going to be your central locking, and this is going to be the single zone manual climate control with your fan speed, zones, and temperature, front and rear defrost, AC, and recirc. Below that, 2 12 volts and the USB and auxiliary audio inputs. There's going to be that 6-speed automatic with your manual shift mode. Reverse does give you a rear backup camera, and you also do have a sport drive mode. You are going to get 3 months of free satellite radio, e-brake, and your padded armrest with storage down in there. Glove box nice and damped. Up top it's going to be a manually dimming rearview mirror and vanity light on your sun visor with a nice little extension. And you also do have sunglass storage and some map lights up top. And so that's going to wrap it up for the front seat. Let's check out the rear. And coming back here, now all of your black cloth with contrast white stitching does follow through, as well as your door panel materials. You still have the same soft touch up top, soft padded armrest, power window, and door storage. Now climbing in, you are going to have dual seat mat pockets, and then over here on my right, nice padded armrest with cup holders, adjustable rear headrest, and up top damped cornering handles with coat hooks. Nice view of the dash right there. And we'll go ahead and check out the cargo area, and we can wrap up our video. Coming around back, just go ahead and press the membrane underneath your Hyundai logo to open it right up. Nice tonneau cover to keep prying eyes off of your stuff, and you can actually fold down the rear seat 60/40 to expand cargo room even more. Tie downs in all 4 corners for some larger items, as well as illumination and a 12 volt over here. Underneath your cargo floor, we do have the temporary spare tire and jack, as well as a little bit of storage on either side. And we'll go ahead and close it up. And that's going to wrap up this 2018 Hyundai Elantra GT base. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any other model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.